Rowserworld. Hello guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. And today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to draw a basic cartoon picture. Okay, so this video is for a beginner, someone that's never drawn a caricature before. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do, guys, is a basic head shape. Okay, sometimes the best way to do this is, let's just go ahead and start from the top of the picture, and then it all really boils down to how well you judge distances. Okay, so this would be the top of the head here. This will be the side of the head. So I'm looking at the head as a big silhouette pretty much. And then I'll draw the bottom of the head. For the cartoon effect or comedic effect, we can use a small neck. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the cheekbones in. All right, now we're going to go ahead and fill in the ear shape. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put in our eyebrow shape. So I look at the basic direction of the eyebrow first, and then I fill it in like I just did. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our nose shape here. And we can go ahead and put our mouth shape while we're at it. Upper lip. What I like to do is do the shape of my front two teeth first. Make sure you use a light line to do so. I'll add the bottom shape here like so. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add with really thin lines. His mustache and his goatee. Okay. All right, now we're going to add the what you call the root of the nose, which is the distance between the eyes. He has a very large root, so you see how large that is. So you want to put two little lines there just to define it, but use as less lines as you possibly can when you do stuff like this. All I'm doing is putting markers where I want things to go. So I notice that it's very wide in between there. It's really hard to differentiate. So you want to just use as minimal amount of lines to express what you're seeing. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and do the eye shape here. Okay, I'll make the eyes look at the camera here. Okay. All right. And then we'll just fill in our eyebrows. And now we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the hair, okay? So we'll do the points first, like this, look. I used to be a barber back in the day. And then they're kind of close, so we'll just bring them out. Okay. And then we're going to downsize just a little bit. Excuse me, guys, my little stand just fell out from back there. All right, and then we'll go ahead and we'll just do this shape right here. Okay. All right, and then we'll add some smile lines a little bit. All right, some little dimples. Okay, and pretty much, guys, we just add our gum line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then we'll add some darks on the side of the mouth here. Just to keep it real basic. You don't want to do nothing too much. If you put too many lines in your drawing, it doesn't look like a cartoon anymore. It looks like a portrait. And you're not trying to draw a portrait, right? Just darken in those eyebrows a little bit more. Okay. And goatee, I'm just going to darken a little bit more. Alright, and then we'll just give him like a little shirt here, maybe a little jacket or something. Okay, now the next phase of the drawing is going to be our shadows. So I use this gray marker because there are really technically no lines in the face. Everything is shadows. So whatever you can draw with a shadow, like where you want to add those extra lines in, use a shadow instead, and then your drawing won't look so busy. So for instance, in the eye shape, I'll use it. Okay, and see how it doesn't look dominating? For the side of the eyes, look. 1, 2, okay? I want to put a line here. I'll do so with my shadows. Okay. I'll do a line. I'll go over the top of the lines that's already existing to kind of soften them up. Put more emphasis on them, but soften them up. All right, let's go ahead and do our profile shadow. Do one here, look, just like so. You can't draw everything you see in the picture. You just have to basically express what you're seeing. What's the main idea? Think of it like that. What is the main idea of what we're drawing? Okay. And let's also do a little bit of shadow here on this top lip. I always do that. Okay. Okay. So that looks good. And now, last but not least, I'm going to take my marker. And then I'll just color in the hair here. Across. Looks like he got his sideburns going on there, so we can add those in, and then add a few more little lines there at the end, and for like a finishing touch. I usually do my finishing touches last. Okay, let's add some darkness here. And pretty much, guys, last but not least, I'll switch to a thin marker, and I'll add the eyelashes. On men, I always make my lash go down. That's it, just a little bit of a lash that goes down. And then I'm adding just a little bit of lines there, just to finish it off. Okay. So now all I have to do is go ahead and put the name of my person. Everybody knows this is Will Smith. I want to thank you guys for watching this video and tutorial. If you'd like to have your favorite celebrity or someone drawn, you can give us a message here at the YouTube channel. You can Instagram us, Facebook us. If you also don't forget to tune into our live stream. We have a live stream every day at 3:30 Central Standard Time. And we also have one at 8 o'clock. We're doing 2 of them during the time that we're having to go through this quarantine situation. But usually it's going to be at 3:30 Central Standard Time on regular business time, and we should be getting back to that here shortly. I'm pretty sure everything's going to be just fine, guys. All right, guys. So thanks a lot for watching our video tutorial. We hope that you enjoyed. And you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.